Hello students, so we basically are in a very important part of trigonometry and almost the final part for standard 10, that is heights and distances. So children, now gear up and let us be ready to learn whatever is being taught to you. First, let us read the first question now. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A on the ground, which is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degrees. Find out the height of the tower. So that is what is the question. So what we do is we make the ground first. Okay, this is the ground. Have a look. This is the ground. Okay, and this is the tower. Now they say, let me take the ground as one line, one simple line. So rest of the things I just. Okay. So they say that the angle of elevation. So what is the meaning of angle of elevation? First let me clarify you. This is the tower, BC is the tower, AB is the ground, and point A. Angle of elevation means the point of observation is here, somebody is looking at the top of the tower. Elevation means you are looking up, so it is the angle between the object and horizontal line passing through the point of observation. So that is what is angle of elevation. So elevation means what? You always look up. So the angle of elevation, that means the line joining the point of observation to the top of the point object viewed and the horizontal line passing through the point of observation. So this is what is happening. The top of the tower is joined and this is a straight line, right? And then what is the angle of elevation? It is 30 degree. Now they are also mentioning about the distance. The point A is 50 meters away from the foot of the tower. So this is the foot of the tower. So 50 meters away from the foot of the tower. Right, it's very easy now. You know you have to find out the value of x. Let the height of the tower be x. Then what happens in triangle ABC, we know the base and we don't know, we have to find out the perpendicular. So which ratio will be involved? Tan is perpendicular by base. So what will happen in triangle ABC? Tan 30 will be equal to perpendicular x by base 50, isn't it? So now what happens? X will be equal to 50 into tan 30, isn't it? 50 into tan 30, because this goes there. So x is equal to 50 into 1 by root 3. So that is the answer in fraction. Now you got to rationalize this. So we can rationalize x is equal to 50 by root 3 and then we multiply top and bottom by root 3. That is what is rationalization. So it will be 50 into the value of root 3 is 1.732 by 3. So how much is this? 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21 and then 3 7. So it's approximately 5.577 into 50. So this I will be doing it. How much is it? 5 7s are 35. 3 5 7s are 35 and 3 is 38 and 5 5s are 25 and 3 25 and 3 is how much? 25 and 3 is 28. So this will be 28 point, it will be 28.850 meter. So this is what is the answer. And let me see. So this is the answer, right? Now we go to the next question. So next question comes on the board. First let me rub off. You can see this once again. Tan 30 is equal to perpendicular by base. Then I took the base as 50 and the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So that value is very important. You have to know this. Now next, let us see children. The next question comes to you on the board. Very fast. Let me read this question. The angle of depression. Now the angle of elevation is when the object being viewed is on the top, the point being viewed is on the top, and the line joining the object with the point of observation and the line passing through the point of observation, which is the horizontal line. Both these the lines make an angle, and that angle is known as angle of elevation. Now the next question says the angle of depression of a point x. The angle of depression of point x of a point x on the ground from the as observed from the top of a tower. If point x is 100 meter away from the foot of the tower, then find out the height of the tower. Once again, the angle of depression of a point x of x on the ground as observed from the top of a tower is 60 degree. If point x is 100 meter away from the foot of the tower, then find out the height of the tower, right? So let us see. So what is the meaning of angle of depression? They say that there is a tower and there is a point x and the angle of depression as observed from the top of the tower. So angle of depression means the horizontal line. So the person, say for example, the person who is viewing this point is on the top of the tower. So it is the angle between the point being observed and the horizontal line passing through the point of observation. Now try to remember, when angle of depression means the object or the point being viewed is down. So you connect those two things, the object to the point of observation and the horizontal line passing through the point of observation. So you are sitting here, your eyes are here, then you are looking down. So this is the point of observation and the horizontal line passing through this angle is called angle of depression. And this is 60 degree over here. This is 60 degree. 60 degree, right? So 60 degree. Now the sun does not have anything else. You can take YZ as the tower, and then this is 100 meter away, right? Again the same thing, and this is what to say. You can say let the height be here. So now what happens in triangle XYZ? In triangle XYZ, what happens? Tan 60 degree is equal to A by 100, and we know that 60 degree is tan 60. 60 is root 3, so 100 into root 3. Now A, you know 100 means root 3 means 1.732. So this will be how much? This will be 173.2 meters. So this is what is the very very important answer over here. This is very important solution. Angle of depression we have understood. Now let us go to the next question. I'll rub this off for you very fast, and let us try to see the next question. What does it read? Let me see the next question. The angle of elevation at the top of a tower from a point A is 45. From a point A is 45. The point A is on the ground and the height of the tower is 75. Okay, so let us see. This is the tower. Its height is already given 75 meters. Now this I can take as anything, P, Q, and then the point A. Now this angle of elevation is 45 degree. Now they are telling find out the distance. Find out the distance of point X from the foot of the tower. That means we have to find out find out the distance of point A from the foot of the tower. Okay. So what will happen? Let us see. I put it as A. Now I use again this ratio is tan. If this was asked, then you would have used cos or sine. If these two ratios were involved, then cos. These two ratios were involved, then perpendicular or hypotenuse means sine. But here this ratio is involved, perpendicular ratio. So we use tan. So tan 45 degree will be equal to 75 by A. But we know that tan 45 is 1. 75 by A. So A is also equal to 75 meter. So that is the next thing. So these three questions we solve over here, and in the we again will go in the next video for the third question and for the fourth question and the fifth question.